Welcome back to Hollywood. Let's go hang out with the Muppets. And I will tell you, they are doing the virtual queue, and I was able to get one. I was actually gonna plan on coming tomorrow morning, but I'm very happy because I was able to get one for this evening. So we're gonna head on in, and my group has already been called, so let's head over there. I'm very excited to be walking down Sunset Boulevard, and not only is it just Tower of Terror, but we'll be heading off to the left to go over and ride Rock and Roller Coaster for the first time in quite a long time. And I'm very excited because based on some of the pictures and some of the video I have seen, we are gonna get a lot of references to the Muppets, to Muppets 3D, and a couple other little things as well. So we're gonna try to see if we can see everything. I've got you guys on this, which is actually on my phone. Don't have my normal camera for once, because this was kind of a last minute decision, but I do have the GoPro, so I'll be able to film that while looking around as well. So we're almost there. I'm very excited. See how long the wait actually ends up being though, because it's probably gonna be a long wait still. All right, heading on into G-Force Records and Rock and Roller Coaster featuring the Muppets. I'm very excited. Like I said, our group has already been called, so let's head on in and also check everything out. We are gonna take our sweet time walking around. We will take our time looking at everything. So do not worry, we will still look for everything. All right, getting in line right now, it is 5:58. Let's see how long it takes us to get onto the ride and check everything else out there is in this queue, because I'm very excited to see everything. Okay, officially inside now, into the artist entrance. It's pretty cool. Mayhem crowd cam. It's time for Mayhem. G-Force Records presents the Electric Mayhem. Oh, look at all of this stuff. Apparently there's quite a few little Easter eggs in here, and so I will try my best to go back through and try to look at anything and everything that is. I know one of the big ones is right there. So very excited about that. Like I said, it's just the biggest thing is just trying to get in this line. We're almost there, very close to the line, but I do love Animals drums, Sergeant Floyd Pepper's bass and vocals, Zoot, Janice, Lips, Dr. Teeth, the banjo. Kind of cool. Ooh, look at all the stuff. Oh yeah, they completely changed everything up for them. Nice.
Rock and roll! Hey, Penguin, how's that sound?
Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? Hey, Bob. What's happening? Rock!
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed, we've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But Chef?
Is Vertiger's in Rock and Roll? Vertiger's in Rock and Roll.
Well, that was kind of a half-baked gag.
I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The Mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea
You okay?
Dr. Honeydew.
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo,
Hey,
actually.
how fast can I get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, you should get going.
But what about all of them?
You know how we feel about our band.
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone?
I love that idea.
Me too. Get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
It's up to the Muppet Labs all moving flat. We want to get you VIPs to the concert ASAP.
All right, head to the back alley to load up. Enjoy the show.
at the Great Gonzo. The Great Gonzo's weird stuff, work in progress, do not move, property of the Great Gonzo. So cool, I love it. Muppet Lab Limo Reshows, or Limo. But yeah, look at there, look at the little, oh my God. There's so much stuff. And then of course, one big thing that everyone was talking about is the Muppet Lab from Epcot. Everyone was wondering if they would bring that back when Muppets officially took over Rock and Roller Coaster, but it looks like it's not, unfortunately. It's just gonna live its life out here. So I'm very excited about it. Lots of different things as well. I'm very excited to see what song we get. So I want to know what song I'm going to get. All right, initial reactions, I loved it. It was so good. That launch is still just as intense. And we ended up getting what's called Song 2, where it's just the Electric Mayhem. I wanted Born to be Wild so bad, but you know what that means? Just means gotta come back and give Rock and Roller Coaster featuring the Muppets and the Dr. Teeth and Electric Mayhem another round to try it again. But we weren't able to, I thought we were gonna get to check out some of the merchandise that is available, but they had it all blocked off right now. So what I'm gonna do is, because there are some pictures and stuff around, I will put those in right now so you guys can see some of the merch that will be debuting on the 26th when Rock and Roller Coaster officially opens for everyone else as well. But overall, from start to end, took only 27 minutes. Pretty not bad, considering how long the line was, considering it was a full queue as well. So I'm very excited for everyone else to check it out. I love the pre-show. The pre-show was fantastic, and I really thought that was done really well. I love Scooter, and there's a couple little pieces here and there of little mementos back to Muppet Vision and to Muppets Courtyard as well. So make sure you check all those things out because there is quite a lot of it, and I thought it was very funny how they do it. And the Scooter animatronic, so cool. Fun fact about that is that they actually were able to motion capture Scooter as a puppet for the animatronic itself, which I thought was pretty stinking cool if you ask me. But overall opinions, I think it's a good rebrand. Sometimes they rebrand stuff and it's not very good. This, very good rebrand. And as part of the transition is that they have food by Swedish Chef. And I'm gonna give you guys a quick glance at all the menu they have to offer. So again, this does not open until the 26th, but I'm very excited to see what a lot of these things are. So they've got the Waka Waka Nachos, Churro Drumstick, mini corn dogs, lots of frozen treats and everything. I really want to try the Mayhem Soft Serve Float, if you ask me. So we'll definitely have to come back and try a lot of this food as well. So one last little look at everything before we make our way out of GeForce Records. And again, I'm very pleased with how this has turned out. I think it was a great change, and I think that it's going to be very well loved. I know a lot of people are sad to see Aerosmith go, but the Muppets really got a good love with this. So not only are we here for Rock and Roller Coaster featuring the Muppets preview, also something that opened last night was Animation Courtyard. So we're going to go over and check it out and check out all the little stuff that there is over there. I was going to come last night, but I knew I was coming over here today for Rock and Roller Coaster. So let's go over, check out Animation Courtyard and all the fun little things there is to see over there. All right, and like I said, Animation Courtyard is officially open as well over here at Hollywood Studios, and this is super exciting to see this officially back. And I know everything's not quite open quite yet, but at least the courtyard space is. And look at that new lovely sign as well. The Walt Disney Studios bringing animation back to the park that originally started with the animation as well. Oh, they even brought Pluto's Corner. We'd actually been to the original Pluto's Corner in Anaheim at the Walt Disney Studios, so I'll put a picture in there of us going there. But I am very excited to see all of this, and there's a lot of little things around to see. So we're gonna try to see as much as we can of it, because they have a lot of little characters and stuff out and about. Look at all the fun grassy area, all the nice trees. Oh look, you got Pua and Thumper over there. Quite a lot more other characters, I think, to see. We got to find them all, though. I think that's kind of the fun thing. Oh, look, Lucifer. Look at Lucifer over here. Look at Lucifer, he is so fun. Oh look, Zazu as well. Oh, and then it looks like,
Oh my gosh, he's gonna eat.
oh yeah, look at Lucifer. But you know why he's looking up? Look, he's gonna get Zazu, and Zazu's kind of side-eyeing him like, no, you're not gonna get me. Oh look. Oh, that's so cool. There's so many cool things in here. Oh, man, it's gonna take me a second to find everything. And the new Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Jizzy Jr. Live. And then again, there is gonna be a studio store right here as well. Very fun and exciting. And I just love the animation and the sorcerer's hat right here. And it does light up at night, so we'll definitely have to be coming back at another time at night to check everything out as well. Plus Kayla will need to come check it out. But they do have the magic of Disney animation right this way. So let's take a little walk around here. Not everything is like I said, not everything is quite open quite yet, as it does officially open on the 26th, but the courtyard space and a little bit of space is available to be looked at right now. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, look, it's like an order. See, we got Zootopia, which just came out. Kanto, Frozen, Moana, Big Hero 6, Tangled, Tiana, Mulan. Very cool, if you ask me. And then the magic of animation will be to the right, but you see the walls are still quite up right now. So lots of the movie posters and everything. So very cool, very excited. Kind of excited to see what the magic of Disney animation is. One of the other things they did add in is they added in more places for handprints. Look, Mowgli, Cruella de Vil, Wreck-It Ralph needs 4 squares because of how big his hands are. Vanellope Von Sweets. There's my favorite little guy, Stitch. You got Pooh, Piglet. You've got Belle, the Beast. You got Quasimodo. You got Little John. You got Ursula. Cinderella. Oh, that's really funny, just a shoe in the foot. You got Simba, Mufasa, Robin Hood. These are so actually cool. Oh, Yensid, Maui. Oh, John Silver, Moana, Hercules and Pegasus, Tiana, Chicken Little. You got the big bad wolf right here, Oswald, Pocahontas, Marie Toulouse and Berlo, Mirabelle, and Bruno, even though we don't talk about Bruno. I have to tell you what, this is a very, very pretty space that they have done over here. Turning it in from the Disney Junior area into the animation courtyard. This is a very, very well done space. I know it's a very little space, but I love the trees, I love the colors, I love everything that's with it. It looks so good. I cannot wait to come back at night. Can't also wait for the magic of Disney animation to open as well, so we can check everything out as well. I gotta tell you, love the animation courtyard space now. I love how well it looks. I like how much space there is. It's very relaxing, but it gives very much reminiscence of what Hollywood Studios originally was an active studio when it first opened to the public. So I'm very happy that it turned out the way it did. I like the fact that it's not like a huge major change, but it is a very pretty change if you ask me. Like, it is a great space. It's gonna be a great relaxing space for people, especially with as little as this park is. Anywhere you can have this somewhere that's very relaxing like that, it's well worth the space, I feel like. It's funny because Animation Courtyard was not supposed to open until May 26th, but it looks like the space itself is ready. Like I said, the only thing not open yet is the Disney Magic of Animation show that they'll have in here, and some of the meet and greets that they'll be going along with it. But come May 26th, there is a lot of things happening, especially here at Hollywood. You have the Animation Courtyard with the Disney Magic of Animation coming, and fully Rock and Roller Coaster featuring the Muppets and Dr. Teeth and the Electric Mayhem will be officially open here, which will be creating a lot of new things because we've been missing Rock and Roller Coaster in the park, mostly just because it is one of the bigger rides here, and I really, really think I like it better than Aerosmith, in my opinion. Aerosmith was cool, Aerosmith was a classic, but the Muppets did a fine job taking over that ride. I tell you, I am genuinely surprised just by how busy Hollywood Studios is, because it's a Thursday night, and usually Thursdays are not horribly busy here at Hollywood, But man, tonight is extra busy, and I think a lot of it is because it is the first day of pass holder previews here at Hollywood for Rock and Roller Coaster, and also it's just, you're about to go into a long weekend for Memorial Day, so that is probably a big reason why as well that it is extra busy. So, but honestly, I was just happy because I got to get on to Rock and Roller Coaster. I got to experience it, and I didn't think I was going to come in until tomorrow to ride it. So getting on it today, huge plus in my opinion. Alrighty, so I am going to go ahead and call it from our trip out here to Disney's Hollywood Studios. I would have stayed a little bit longer, but the park is so ridiculously busy. I have no intentions of being here anymore because I got on the things I wanted to do. I got to go check out Rock and Roller Coaster with the Muppets featuring Dr. Teeth and the Electric Mayhem, and got to check out the brand new animation courtyard space, which is officially open. Not everything is quite open for it. That'll come all on May 26th. So you guys got to let me know, are you extremely excited for Muppets taking over Rock and Roller Coaster, and what song are you most excited to get? So with all that being said though, as we do head on out from a very busy night at the studios, we will see y'all on the next adventures.